C-A-T, peach. It's good. C-A-T, Daisy's good. See, I'm good. And guys, Lucky's it. Lucky has a dog over there. So, Lucky's going to be a cat, and Lucky's going to catch all of us. Daisy for the last Daisy times. Why you get stuck up there every time you get on the fence, Daisy? Daisy, that's not good for you. Yes. Yes. That means I have to bring you back down. Here. Fixed. See? There's buggies over here. I recommend the fence is not a place where bugs go. They just go on the grass. So yeah, I recommend you can be on the grass. Right. Peach? 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 Peach is hiding. Yes, there you are, Peach. That's actually a really good hiding spot there. Alright, let's start Lucky's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 seconds. Let's start up. Lucky's gonna try and find us. And this is why I'm gonna duck down. It's the best chance of survival. Go, 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 go. Get out of hiding spot. Out of hiding spot. Repeat, Peach. You're safe? Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I'm surrounded. Go, 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 go. Okay. I think Lucky's searching for Peach over that area. Come on. Daisy. 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 Danger. Just don't come on, Daisy. Daisy, you're a good guy. You need to survive from Lucky. I'm gonna head over here. Lucky searched this area. He's looking around. He's sitting still. Gross! That is disgusting. He just let out a poo there. Oh, nasty. Right in Peachy's hiding spot. That's a stink bomb. That's disgusting, Bucky. I wish you could have pooed somewhere over there. Look where he pooed. Over here. I don't see it. Where did his poo go? Did he just pee or poo? I don't see any wet grass anywhere. So therefore he just went a pee-pee. I don't see poo. And Peach is over there. I know. Daisy, that is disgusting. Daisy, no. Daisy, no. No, Daisy, that's not good for you. I'm going to save you again, Daisy, because you... No. That's a place where you can't get back. So you're going to have to stay over here. You can go that area, but you can't go in this area. No, Daisy, that's not good for you. I know you like to explore, but that's not the type of area to explore. You might get stuck there. Nuh-uh, Daisy. I don't want you to get lost. If you really do want to get lost, don't. Ooh, this is being a bit hostile. I can see always trying to get away. Daisy needs butt pats. Oh, Daisy. Who got Billy Pats? Who got it? Oh, yes, you. Yes, look, Peach. Where is Peach going? Come on. Go to Peach. Go on, Daisy. Be a good kitty. Look, he's barking at another dog far away in the next neighborhood, I think. Look, Buggies, this part. Oh, I thought Buggies do go. Abby, you wanna pounce on it? No? You just wanna. Come on. Let's see. Come on, Days. Lucky. Come on, Daisy. Gotta run, Daisy. Daisy, run. That is coming. Daisy, run, run, run. Run, Daisy. Come on. Daisy. Okay. We're gonna be safe over here, I think. But on the other hand, look, he's over there. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, subscribe, leave a like, click on the notification bell to join the notification squad so you never miss another video.